Hello everybody, I'm making this emoji eggs review or video. In this box came the stands. When you put them together, it looks like that. Came with rub-ons, emojis. They're really cute. It was supposed to come with a stick, but the stick is not in the box, but we can handle that. I use plastic eggs instead of the die kits. So it comes with die kit and an egg holder. I typically like to do this with little kids, younger kids, and boiled eggs are messy if they're not eaten soon enough. I don't know. So I cut my rub-on. I find my plastic egg. I will put it above the line so that you could use it for a treat. There is a plastic film, if I can get it. So one side's paper and the other one's plastic. And I think I can't show you. Oh, there we go. And you just peel off the plastic or the paper. And I am finding that if you start on one side of your rub-on and rub really hard and keep going across, you won't have as many flaws as if you start one or just start rubbing however you want. So it looks like it's on there and you just peel it off. Is that not cute? And the clear stuff is pretty much off except for the very top. Cute. Okay, so I'll show you one more. I'm gonna do it on orange plastic. The laughing with bunny ears. I took the paper off the plastic, paper off the plastic. I'm going to find the middle of my egg. And I'm going to start one side. And you're just going to rub it. Now I'm going to go to the top because evidently that's what it wants. And I'm going to go down the middle. Oops. And you'll see what I did in just a second where I said oops. So it looks good, right? Peel it off. There's not too much, except there is a little portion of his ear, which you can see in the picture. The ear did not make it all the way. It's still very cute, but that's what happens when you don't rub it all the way. So here are the 4 that I did. And I would most definitely recommend this for kids that are like 4, 5, 6 that can put stickers on things. This is it. Very cute, very easy, and so worth it. Thanks for watching.